Hello everyone, today I'm making a video and I'm going to show you how to clean your tea kettle or your hot water kettle. So as you can see here, there's quite a buildup of limescale. So most of it sticks to the bottom. It's not really a big deal because I rinse it every time I use it, obviously, but now you can see like the whole bottom layer is getting really gross, and I've been looking for solutions online. So I'm gonna show you what I do to clean this thing, this hot water kettle. I also see two different things going around on the internet on how to clean your kettle. I see instructions using vinegar. These are natural solutions. Obviously, I want to stick to something natural because I don't want to have any leftover chemicals that I'm drinking after it's being cleaned. So I see the vinegar solution, which I've tried. It did not work for me, and I don't recommend it because if you're boiling the water, it's gonna start bubbling, and that's kind of like a hazard. You don't want to leave it unattended. So the other thing I found that works, it's called citric acid. Citric acid powder, it's something you can order online. I'm not sure what type of stores carry them. That's like a box store, but I'm definitely sure you can buy these online, which is where I found it. So with citric acid, it's safe for human consumption. Obviously, don't eat the powder, but it's safe for human consumption, and that's what I want to use. And citrus is what's gonna clean this limescale underneath. It's obviously pretty safe and simple to do yourself at home. And again, because I'm going to be boiling the water with the stuff inside, you don't want to leave it unattended, so I'm just going to show you that process. So this is the citric acid I ordered. It's a very big pack. I'm sure this will last me a very long time. The great thing is you can use it to clean other places that have limescale buildup, like maybe the inside of a steamer, a humidifier, wherever you're using water, and you can see after a while you're going to have that same problem. So this is what I use to clean. You can order whatever kind pack that's just the same content, citric acid 100%, and then ingredients citric acid, anhydrous. I don't know what that means. It's anhydrous. Great. So what else does it say? Okay, this is highest quality non-GMO. Okay, great. So, and if you're wondering how much this costs, it cost about $15 or something like that. I don't know. It was probably under $20. You can find this in different quantities, amounts. So I don't know, maybe you have some things that are like rusting in your garage, not rusting, but you got limescale or something going on. If you have a big project of cleaning, spring cleaning, house cleaning projects, this I would definitely recommend for things like that. Alright, so I'm not going to use a lot to start. I'm just going to use, what is this, a 1 teaspoon, and see if that gets me what I needed to do. So let's try that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop this 1 teaspoon. I have some water in there already. I don't want to add more. I don't think I need more. So this is about just over half a liter. I'll start with that. I think it's a pretty good portion. You can probably find more instructions online. I don't know what size your kettle is or the thing you're cleaning, so there's probably better instructions somewhere online on what amount you need to use for your specific item. Okay, so I'm actually at the 0.7 liter line, as you can see right there. So let's see if 1 teaspoon is enough for cleaning the whole bottom. I'm just opening the bag here. Got my scoop of citric acid. Okay, it just looks like sugar. Cool. So I'm gonna put that inside, maybe stir it around a little bit. Now it's just sitting at the bottom, nothing's really happening, but actually you can see there's a chemical reaction already. So yeah, see those bubbles? It's doing something, but I don't have all day, so we're gonna boil it. And right now I have this unplugged, so we're gonna plug it back in. Now let's watch the action. So it's on, it's boiling, and you just want to make sure you're watching and supervising your tea kettle, because if it starts to bubble, you want to be here to turn it off or unplug it if it's going to start spurting out, and then you're going to have hot water all over your counter. You're going to burn your hands trying to clean up the mess. Don't do that. Just watch and supervise. Can you see? It's coming off. See the stainless steel underneath. Wow, okay, cool. This is so relaxing to watch. Okay, I don't actually know how long this kettle boils for. It's like a minute or two. Now the water's hot. It's not doing anything too crazy, that it's just boiling like it normally would. But now see here, getting to the end, it's getting very bubbly, and you just want to make sure it's not going to do anything crazy. So when you have normal hot water, it's just doing its normal thing, but now you have a chemical reaction going on, okay? So now it's done, and it's settling down. I'm gonna leave it for about a minute and see if the hot water, once it stopped boiling, the hot water will help speed up the process, and I'll just let it soak for a little bit. Okay, so I did the second round, and it looks like it took a little more out, especially all the part that's in the center. It's just the little edges. So I don't know if you can see there's some edges. But I think I'm happy with it for now, yeah. From what it was before, it's definitely making a difference. I'm just gonna rinse this out. I'm gonna do just a straight up hot water boil and empty that, and then I'm gonna clean the spout filter. So this is what it looks like after I cleaned the outside and the inside with some just plain old dish soap, rinse it out, and that's what's left. Look at that. So the only thing that didn't come off, just using a sponge and dish soap, I don't know if you can tell here, but there's a little bit of residue that's kind of left on here, and this spout glass part. and this. So I ended up using a Q-tip and I'm just cleaning it from the underside. That's where most of the stuff is built up. It seems to be doing a pretty good job. I mean, look how much I removed. And this is the other side too. So even here, like, got this. It's kind of working. Just have to go at it. And that's what I got. There's still a little bit left, but I'm not too worried about it. I got most of it off, as you can see on the underside. Also, citric acid. It's kind of painful if you've got cuts or scratches along your fingers, so maybe wear gloves if you don't want to hurt your fingers or hands. So that's what it looks like. It's clean. We did it. Thanks for watching.